Here is another question that I have received plenty of times, and it has to do with whether you can repair a set of stairs or you need to replace it. And since there are so many different types of stairways out there, along with construction methods, and of course the most difficult would be to actually assess whether or not your stairway is structurally safe, was built correctly, or can be repaired. And I can tell you that almost every stairway can be repaired. It just depends on how much money you want to spend and how much time you want to spend doing it. So to figure this out, let's start with estimating what it would cost to replace all of the materials to remove and replace the stairway. And in our example, we're going to use $700. And keep in mind, these are just materials. If you value your time, you're going to have to estimate that also if you can. And in this video, I'm trying not to use time and materials. I'm just focusing on materials. Because if you're a do-it-yourselfer, your time isn't going to matter. Next up, let's take another range between $300 and $700. And if we estimate our materials to cost $500, and we're only going to need another $200 to replace the entire stairway, and it's probably going to take less time to do that, then we're probably going to want to replace the entire stairway. And I think the safe repair zone on something like this would be under $300, or something that could cost a little more but isn't going to require as much time. Then I think I would focus more on making the repair. And hopefully that makes sense. If not, I'm going to leave you with some more information you can take your time reading. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment area and I will try to answer them as soon as possible. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.